Hey guys, my name is Aditya and this is my final submission for CS50 Web Programming course and this is my capstone project. So for my capstone project, I've created a web application that helps you interact with your PDFs, in particularly your research papers. Okay, in a more of fun way. As an engineering student myself, the major problem that I come across is that I have to read too many research papers. Okay, so sometimes that becomes a bogus task. So for that, I have created an application that helps you interact with your PDFs in a more fun way. Okay, so this is I'll be giving you a short walkthrough through my application. So this application basically uses with the help of OpenAI and LangChain at the backend. Okay, so this is my landing page. In order to get started, you can either you can click on the get started part. Okay, so for that you either have to have an account or register an account. Okay, right now I have an account right now for myself and I can log in through that like this. Okay, so once I am inside my web application, this is my main dashboard with all my particulars right here. Okay, so for just example, I have a PDF that I want to summarize it and prompt through it. Okay, so here I'll choose the application. Okay, so right now, just for example, this is a mood disorder medical research paper. So this I have to analyze. Okay, so I'll upload this and I'll click on upload. This will take some time to analyze the document. What's happening under the hood is that we are using the help of LangChain and OpenAI to create chunks of the data and using a LLM model, create a summary out of it. Okay, so this takes some time, and right now, as you can see, a short summary has been created. Now, this summary has been created by my custom prompts that I've used through prompt engineering. Okay, so if you see right here, a short summary has been created that this is the title of that research paper, this is the introduction, this is the methodology that was followed, these are the results and key findings, and this is the conclusion. Okay, so this is the default summary. Okay, and these are the information about the parameters that are being used. So one functionality that I've also provided right here is you can tune the parameters. So by default, this summary is an moderate summary that is not too much factual and not too much intelligent. Okay, but I can change through this, like I want a new summary that is an intelligent summary, and I'll write over here is generate an intelligent summary. Not intelligent, generate an custom short summary. Okay, I don't want this long summary, I want a short summary. So as soon as I click on generate, now it will also take some time and create me a new summary. As you can see right here, this is my new summary. Okay, and this is a intelligent summary which is using zero point 0.9 as the model temperature, and here is my customized prompt. Okay, so this was the summarizer part. One more functionality that is offered is the GPT prompter. So once you enter a GPT prompter, you can ask anything from this research paper. Like I know this is a medical research paper, so this must have included some medical trials on people. Okay, so I can ask that how many people were included in the medical trial. Okay, as soon as I ask this question, the chatbot will now answer to my question that two people were included in the medical trial. Or if I want to ask, what are the main findings of this research? Okay, I want to ask this. So I'll just through this prompt, and this is telling me that this research found that all papers had a low risk bias. Okay, so like this you can ask anything from your research paper. Okay, so this was the two functionalities that are being provided. Also, whenever you are like this is a document that I've analyzed in the past. Okay, I can click on this and I can open this summary. Okay, this is some paper that I might have analyzed previously. Okay, so once I refresh this part, this is now this part is saved in my previous, so I can also open this and continue with this progress. Okay, so this was all about my final project as a capstone project, and I hope this would be much useful to you as it was much useful to me also. So thanks a lot, and CS50 is a wonderful course.